So I got the 99 Nissan Maxima up on the lift. Going to be pulling off all the wheels because I need to work on the brakes and the axles and address some oil leak and maybe do a muffler. I'm also going to see if I can take care of this loose trim piece here. And before I take the wheels off, I've marked all the wheels, left front and left rear. That way I want to put the wheels right back where they go, because if there is a problem with the wheel, I don't want it to change something, right rear and right front. But later I'm going to be moving these front tires to the rear and getting new ones to put on the front. But for now, I just want to put the wheels right back where they were, because I don't want to introduce any new variable to everything I'm about to do.